In this video, I will show you step by step how to create an N8n account. So it's fairly simple. What you want to do first is just head over to n8n.io, which is their official website, and from there click on the Get Started for Free button. That will take you right here, and you just need to enter a few details, so that's your full name, company email, confirm your email address, then your password, and you can select an account name, which is where you will log in. After doing that, click Start Free 14-day Trial. And from there you will need to answer a few questions. So first, what is the size of your company? I'll say only me. Then what team are you on? What best describes your company? Then which of these do you feel comfortable doing? Now if it's none of them, you can just click OK without selecting any. Then how did you hear about N8n? I'll say YouTube. Have you contracted an external agency to help build your workflows? And finally, you can invite collaborators, so other people you want to work with you on your N8n workspace by entering their email, but I'm gonna skip this one. And from there, you can now just click Start Automating, and you'll see your workspace is now online. So if you click Start Automating, it will take you to your workspace, where you have now created your account, and you can now just start creating your workflows. So now you know how to create an N8n account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.